Hey guys, I want to go over with you today theme and what it is and how to make a thematic statement. A lot of freshmen tend to mix up the main idea or the topic with the actual theme. Um, Someone might say, or some of you might say, that a theme of a text is just merely freedom or family or power or love. But a theme can never just be one word. These are just topics that are important to the text, but it's not become a theme until a statement is made about that topic. So I'm going to go over with you using the story of Little Red Riding Hood, the difference between main idea, moral, topic, and theme. So the main idea of a story is generally what the story is about, is a brief one-sentence summary of the plot. So the main idea of Little Red Riding Hood would be that she gets herself into danger by disobeying her parents and revealing too much information to a wolf on her way to her grandma's house. That's the main idea. The moral or the lesson is just what we learn from the story that we can take and learn of right and wrong and things like that. So, moral of Little Red Riding Hood might be never talk to strangers, don't disobey your parents. Okay, so the topic is an important subject, one word that is presented or revealed in the story. Now, this could be multiple topics. There's not going to be just one topic for an entire story. There will be many topics brought up, especially in these like folk tales or nursery rhymes or Disney movies. You'll have many topics. So topics for Little Red Riding Hood could be disobedience, intuition, trust, fear, family, and all that good stuff there. Now, when writing a thematic statement, the theme is it's the significant idea or statement that the story is making about the topic. It focuses on the deeper meaning or message that the reader is meant to consider. The theme often makes a statement about society, human nature, or the human condition. So themes of Little Red Riding Hood might be, if we're talking on the topic of appearance, you might say appearances can sometimes be deceiving. That is your thematic statement. We're using the topic of trust. Trusting intuition is key to survival. There's your thematic statement.